Virtek Vision has been helping manufacturers reach their optimum for more than 30 years. Virtek provides exceptional expertise and engineering for manufacturers around the world, employing vision technology with precision, reliability, and innovation. Clients like Komatsu are concerned with quality and speed to market. So when the complexity of vehicle options increased and went to a modular approach, they needed a solution to help build trucks without waiting for costly and lagging templates.
Komatsu America Corp, we build the world's biggest mining trucks from 200 ton to 400 ton. So our frames are around the world in coal mines, gold mines, copper mines. Anything that comes out of the ground, we're hauling it. With any new technology in a manufacturing setting that has been doing the same process for 20 years, any new process is going to take time to get the workers to accept that technology. So in the very beginning, our workers didn't want to use it. It was something new. They weren't real happy about it. It was new technology. That was 3 years ago. Today, if I put a template in their hand, they're going to throw it at me. They've gotten that used to using the system. We were having to change our drawings almost on a weekly, monthly basis, which we were using templates to place all the parts on our frames. Unfortunately, it would take 6 months to get a new set of templates to start placing parts on the frame correctly. The laser allowed us to do that in an 8-hour period. Almost immediately from an engineering change, we could put it on the floor.
One of the templates could weigh up to 30 pounds. So trying to maneuver that template and actually mark out with soapstone where the pieces went was very awkward for us. With this, it shoots it straight on the frame. It portrays it perfectly on the frame, and all we have to do is get up there and tack the part on.
The number of defects that we started seeing in the assembly area when we first started implementing all our new technology was kind of drastic. So with the Virtek laser system, that dropped 95%. We were able to almost eliminate it completely.
The implementation of Virtek's Iris Spatial Positioning System, or SPS, decreased assembly defects by 95% in 6 months, reduced engineering to design from 8 weeks to 2 to 16 hours, and delivered a cost savings of 4 to 10 times for welding rework in final assembly.
We chose the Iris positioning system, so we were able to move the frame during production and through the process, and it would allow us to continue just readily just keep on working. So we didn't have to take more datums, we didn't have to take more markers. All it was the push of a button to continue, or it was automatic. Ultimately, we did look at other laser systems, but none of them had the Iris option to allow us to move the frame, so it was ultimately our choice.
As soon as a truck model goes obsolete or something changes on that truck model, you can actually just program that different piece into that laser, and you don't have to mess with templates. Sometimes it took us up to 3 to 4 weeks to get our templates back after an upgrade or change in our truck. So it's just a whole lot easier.
From a cost savings aspect, so with the template, a full set of templates would cost anywhere from $60,000 to $70,000 to have a set of templates made. By the time we receive those templates, they're wrong because of engineering changes. So then we would have to send those templates out to be reworked. That was another $5,000 or $6,000 to have them reworked. With the laser system, the Iris system, it's sitting at a desk, punching a few keys, a few mouse clicks. You have an updated template that is a laser projection, and you can put it out on the floor. So you just saved yourself $5,000, $6,000 for every set of templates we have, and we have 7 to 8 different style frames at any given time being worked. With my experience with Virtek has been very well received. They have always been there. They're an email away, a phone call away. I've always been able to get a hold of somebody and have my answer or my fix if I've had a problem within an hour or less.
Virtek Vision has been helping companies like Komatsu reach their optimum for more than 30 years, and we can do the same for you. Partner with Virtek Vision today to create your own success story.